I'm ready to start.
Which one's the concentrated?
This.
Okay.
So when you start out, you want to plug it in?
Yeah. There it goes.
And you're supposed to wait till no more bubbles come out of the concentrate. Then you adjust it so both streams are the same.
Where's that machine at? Oh. It don't work?
It's filling it up.
Hmm.
It's filling up. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 canisters.
Oh, I see. Where are you running into?
Well, you have to get it adjusted, and then we'll run it into here and there. This will be pure water.
Huh?
This will be pure water, and that'll be sap. I don't know what happened, but it sounds better.
Up.
Oh, there we go. Well, it says, you want to read the directions. It's supposed to be the same.
Huh?
That's about the same.
It's good stuff now.
But see, this is a much smaller hose,
Yeah.
so it's hard to tell. I'd say they're pretty close. I mean, you could tell by using 2 containers, like 2 cups.
Same, yeah.
You want to try that?
Sure.
Go get 2 plastic cups in the kitchen,
All right.
and we'll see if it's about the same.
No, you're right. They're even right now.
What are you doing?
We're just siphoning from one tank into the other so we don't have to move the intake for the RO machine.
So we're pulling off sap from this container. It runs into the RO, or the reverse osmosis bucket, and then it has 2 outputs. So the permeate, which is essentially pure water, drains out of this blue hose. And then the red hose drains the concentrate, which is the stuff that we're interested in. So it concentrates the sap by a factor of 2. So instead of 1.5% sugar, we have about 3% sugar. What that means for us is instead of having to boil down 96 gallons, you can boil down 48. It'll take us half the time, so that saves us hours and hours of boiling.
And you guys are caught already?
This made pulling the wagon pretty challenging for the guys today.
This is the one Isaac tapped yesterday. It's over half full.
What time is it now?
I don't know. 9:30?
9:30 p.m. So what time did you guys start today?
About 9. Yeah, I think I was up by 9. So between we did a reverse osmosis at the beginning of the day, and then took a break to go and collect our sap up in the mountains.
You can open this up like that.
Now we're back. Oh,
You know, pour out this.
Sure.
That way you don't have to worry about it spill.
So how much did you guys get today?
almost 80 gallons. It was pretty good considering how miserable the weather was. So we're almost done running the sap through the reverse osmosis machine. And then we'll end up with about 80 or 90 gallons of the concentrated sap that will boil down tomorrow. And we're still collecting.
How many more days of collecting?
Just tomorrow, because then it's going to be below freezing. And the sap won't run. It'll all be frozen.
Are you tired?
Getting there.